In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a backup file in Hostinger. So what you want to do is come to your web hosting page, single web hosting. I'm going to click this one. Click manage. So make sure you're on the one that you want to upload to. So now you want to come down to files. You want to go to backups. Now, here, there's a few options actually. If you have some backups already in here, you can click restore website. And that's going to be able to send you back to one of the backups you've made on here. Now, if you have the files, then you're going to click here, choose the date, next step. Then it's going to ask you to upload the files. You can download or you can restore files. Now, next thing you can do is you need to download or restore from the backups database. So that's if you have a database, you can do that. Press restore. There. And you can generate a new backup. That's just to back up the current site. Also, you can go to import website, and all the website files will be directly imported into the public HTML folder, which means that the website will go public straight away. And you can do this with certain sites, but if you've got like a WordPress one, you're going to need to upload all of your databases and stuff like that as well. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.